What's up, people? Your boy Pete Ross, the Nike Outlet shopping. You understand what I'm saying? In the building. What? Why not? Shut up. Yo. What y'all think about these right here? Man. You know, we just out here kicking it, doing it big. You understand? Yeah. Yo. What about these right here? Them hot. Enjoying Jumpman Quick 23s. Oh, these Jumpman Quicks? Huh. What are they? Let me see. What y'all think about these, yo? Them hot though, right? How much are they? That ain't my size though. But...
Oh, I saw them at the other Nike. They were in an aisle.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yo, what's up, people? We out here chilling. You know what I'm saying? Just got 2 pairs of sneakers. You know how I do. From the Nike Outlet. See the Nike, the outlet shit. Yeah. So I'm popping. It's cold in the hell up here in Jeffersonville. You know what I'm saying? Look at all that snow. Yeah. We out here chilling. You understand? I might go on the polo. I don't know. But we'll see. Get back with y'all in a minute. Yo, but before I do that, yo, check this out. Look at what I'm rocking. I'm rocking the Belova Sport. You know what I mean? I took the leather strap off of that piece. You understand? And I put on this strap here. Ain't that the bomb? Look at that. Look how bomb that is right there, yo. You know what I'm saying? Yo, that is hot. You know what I mean? So that's what I did. The strap is actually quite comfortable. You know what I mean? So, but that's the Belova Sport and the watch change. You know, so the rubber strap pretty good. I like it. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably put the rubber strap on somewhere a couple months from now, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give it a rest. So let's get into shoes I bought, right? We're gonna start out with the pair that I bought for myself first, right? Okay. I've already worn these and they are very, very comfortable. The Nike Zooms 2K. Alright. Very, very comfortable shoe. You understand what I'm saying? So let's get into some specs of this shoe. Of course, the colorway is black, and black, nori, and nori. You understand what I'm saying? So, just some details. The Nike Zoom is inspired by late 90s sneakers and features heritage style and modern comfort. This shoe is definitely comfortable. Oh my God. I wore this shoe to work and I was good. I was good, y'all. Zoom Air unit offering plush cushioning, rubber wings, wrap the outsole and upper for lock-in feel and enhanced stability. Yo, it definitely has that feeling like the shoe will not come off and the shoe is definitely part of your foot. Exaggerated heel and branding are reference to the chunky early 2000s aesthetic. You know what I mean? Like right in here. This shoe is just great. Breathable mesh vamp and leather skins around the toe and heel added durability. Neoprene tongue and web lacing system adds to the security lockdown fit. Yo. Woo. Oh my God, it's just great. Cored out rubber outsole keeps the shoe design lightweight and enhances flexibility. Alright, the late 90s and early 2000s are reimagined in the men's Nike Zoom 2K casual shoes. Featuring a retro heritage aesthetic and modern comfort, these sneakers are as striking as they are durable. But you know what? I didn't stop there, because I got another pair for my daughter, and I got these here, Nike Zooms, and the colorway says white, infrared 23, wolf gray, blanc, girls loop, and infra rouge 23. All right, as you can see, this shoe, it looks exactly like my shoe, but more of a girl look, you know what I'm saying? And she really likes these shoes, you know what I mean? So she gonna be rocking these. And just to do a little side by side comparison of the kicks, there's no difference. There's no difference. You know what I mean? There's no difference, except this is a size 12 and this is a size, what size is this? 8.5 in women's. Is this an 8.5 in women's, darling?
No,
Men, 8.5 in men's. Okay. 8.5 in men's, because she wears a 9 in women's, right? Okay. Yeah, so 8.5. So, this the bomb. What y'all think about these joints? They all that. Understand? So that's it for the video. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Alright? You know what I mean? So just keep it real. Stay up on your grind. You know what I'm saying? It's about to be 2020. Big things are happening. Ross Wristwatch Love in the building. Peace.